how you can do, because some people they say like do
Yeah.
back,
Yeah.
but I cannot. I cannot go back front. Yeah.
I think I do.
You go
I
back?
go back.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know. I'll try this.
Yeah, because in Bali we don't have pillar all night. Yeah.
So what are you making?
What am I making?
Soup.
Soup.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Making
like a chicken choco soup.
chicken chocos.
Yeah, chicken choco soup.
Nice.
Take some.
Spicy is good.
Hot. Be careful.
That's very good. I'm gonna give some to George. This is the tuna. You like?
It's good.
You got
I
distracted
was just watching the
by.
dog, so it doesn't.
This is Siro.
No, this is picky.
Siki.
Picky.
Oh, this is Piki. Oh, this is Siro.
No, 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 no.
Uh-oh.
Good.
That's very nice.
Brown sugar and the peanut. Yeah. Boil.
Okay.
Yeah. So during you having lunch, this is will be cooked. Yeah. We put black rice inside and little bit salt, brown sugar, and pandan leaf.
Pandan.
Yeah. This is the pandan leaf.
one?
This one.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the pandan leaf. Just for aroma, aroma of the black rice pudding. So later when already hot the water.
Yes.
Oh, it's
blend it well,
good.
yeah.
Yeah, strong.
You did 80% of the work. Oh, this one's for you, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Like I did all the work.
This black rice, is it different to the red rice? That's from...
And another white sticky rice. 2 white rice. Yeah. The white rice, this one the sticky white rice, and other one the rice, white rice or steam rice. So all this one is steam rice.
Okay.
Yeah, steam rice.
Okay.
But the sticky white rice is 6-7 months.
Wow.
Yeah, little bit long.
Yeah.
And like we have two different kind as well. We can harvest the sticky rice by machine, and other one by hand.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
one we have like special knife for cutting like this.
Oh.
Yeah, they have like a knife short
Yeah.
and hold on here. I do before when a little. I take the one. They take each one.
Yeah.
Maybe if this one will be like 3 or 4 days
Wow.
to harvest
Wow.
because not use all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, take each.
To cut it.
Yeah. If you see, maybe if you go to west of Bali,
Okay.
we call in the village we call Jatilwe village.
Just.
That is central of the rice paddy. They grow rice all, red rice, sticky rice, brown or black. Yeah, they have like a queue of the rice field area, and a lot of terracing, beautiful. Yeah.
Okay.
So we get rice like black rice and brown white rice, sticky rice from there.
Brown sugar inside.
Brown sugar, pandan leaf, this, and little bit salt. I put a new salt.
Okay.
Yeah, because this is that one already I grabbed with the chili.
Yeah.
And then just mix now. Mixer like this, little bit, because this is already hot. I put the slow, little bit less fire, so cook slowly. Yeah. And after that, they will be sticky. The water is gone, and we make a coconut milk later. Okay, now you can having your food lunch, please.
So this is how you make coconut milk.
Yes, this is my coconut milk. So most we not buy. Yeah. If already have coconut, no buy.
There's no need.
Yeah, don't need buy. But if no coconut, need coconut milk. Sometimes too easy. Yeah, buy. But sometimes the taste is funny.
Yeah.
We have put water, make it hot. Like they got like a bucket. No, like a very carton.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm not really buying it. Yeah, I like it, always like it.
Yeah, after we grate the coconut,
Yeah.
but we make like a pipe coconut.
Yeah.
Big one, yeah.
Yeah.
And then we grate all, and then we put like in the same like this.
Okay.
Then we put a little bit hot water,
Okay.
and then after that we mix with the normal water, and then we shake like this. And the coconut milk comes. After that we boil the coconut milk.
Sugar and
Yeah, we boil it, but take 2 hours or 3 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, and then like this, and then after that we find the oil in the top. Yeah, and then after get the oil in the top, we take out the oil in the top, and then
From
after that we
the-
filter again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
And then we will get the rest of the thing under from the coconut oil,
Yeah.
and that is good for also we make other food.
Yeah.
Like we wrap with the banana leaves too, same like this. But we will put anchovy, fish inside.
Okay.
Still like a little bit oil then in there. And then with it's good when we put like a very what we call it hot, like a more chili.
Yeah.
And then we
Like a combination
fry it.
salt
Oh, not we fry it. We grill it.
salty and
Okay.
Grill it. So nice.
I never actually thought of how to make coconut oil.
Yeah, well, but that time it's easy to. Yeah. But take time.
Maybe it's
Take a 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah.
And in the future, if there is a request of our travelers,
Yeah.
we will make it for them. Like they can learn how to what they actually cook.
Yeah.
Also, some requests like if we would like to make learn about to make offering.
Okay.
So some new.
So they can make any special requests.
Yeah, they can make this. Like tomorrow they have a special
Like the
request.
nasi
Not
goreng.
in our menu.
Bali.
Thank you for such an amazing cooking class. All the love and hospitality.
Yeah, thank you for joining with us.
Thank you for joining us. So I'm so happy. I'm very lucky you are coming on. You know, because you are from long away to be here with me. I'm very lucky.
Thank you guys.